Baseball card game coming at you with another box break video. Like I said, I was gonna get a box of Topps Heritage as well. So this is it. I'm recording with my iPad, so hopefully this thing doesn't fall down. But yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna do the contest. Still thinking about the rules and stuff. When's a good time? Because I don't know. I'm on spring break, so this should be a fun box. And we got an advertising panel. I usually open this every year, and the box just broke apart. Okay. Yeah, the corner was a little bit dinged, but let's fix that, put that up for display. Actually, it's a box. It's going in the trash. Okay, so we got all these packs here. Advertising panel or box stopper. That's the advertising panel. So we didn't get a box topper. So let's see who we got. We got, oh nice, Shane Victorino. Shane Victorino, Matt Latos, and Neil Walker. It's an advertising panel there. So put that back in there. Put that off to the side. Hopefully you can get a hot box, guys. This is the Purple Refractor hot box. I don't know. I don't know what the odds on that is, but it seems like we didn't get a hot box. Jared Cozart, flashbacks, Juan Marichal, Marcell Ozuna, Ryan Rayburn, Ricky Weeks. Oh, and I forgot to look at what are the numbers for the short prints, so I'm not sure. Maybe this J.J. Hardy is one, a high number SP, 410. I'm not sure. I'll just put that on the side. Look that up after the video. That's that. Pitching leaders, Hellickson. These are really beautiful cards, guys. Garrett Jones, Derek Jeter, Strasburg, New Age Performers, Addison Reed in the Diamondbacks jersey uniform. Rookies. So nothing much so far, guys. I know this product has been very well. I have been lucky, I guess you could say. With the Hank Aaron a couple years ago. Is that 2 years ago? Last year I just put a Yonder Alonso jersey. That's it, pretty much. Then now Roberto Clemente. Oh, looks like we get an autograph, guys. Oh, nice. Frank Bowling. Bowling. Certified autograph. Real one. That's the first time I put an autograph from Heritage. So. Don't mind the noise in the background. That's just my brother. Rookie. Cespedes. So yeah, guys, that's pretty nice. Finally put an autograph out of that. Maybe we can get another autograph, because I saw on the forums they had more than one autograph in a box, more than one hits. Base. Hopefully that autograph is showing on camera. I'm not sure. But there you go. There's the autograph. Real one autograph. Pretty nice. It's an old timer, so. Mesoraco, Correa, Odorizzi, Rookie Stars, Brian Wilson. And there's action short prints and stuff like that, but like I said, I'll look at that after, come at you guys with a recap video. These packs are killing me. Michael Young, Carlos Stanton, then and now, Koufax, Yu Darvish, rookies, Travis Jarnard. So maybe you pull a chrome or something. That'll be sweet. Martin Prado, Matt Keane, flashbacks. There now. Koufax and Kershaw, Sabathia, Junior Lake. Marco Estrada, Kurt Gibson, Mariano. So, guys, not too sure what I'm gonna do about the contest. I'm most likely gonna have it. I'm just trying to pick a date to have it. I'm not sure if you. Oh wait, got a Chrome in here. Bruce Bochy, Gene Segura, Chrome. That's out of $9.99. So Chrome there, Cozart, Gardner. I don't know what are the odds of pulling the autograph top heritage. No, they're not. They're kind of hard to pull because every time I watch a box break, they just pull a jersey card. Rookies are there, Papelbon. Nothing too special. Oh, look, we got another autograph. Eric Davis, top certified autograph. So the real one autograph. Like I said, I saw on the forums that people are pulling more than one autograph. So there you go. That's pretty sick. 2 autographs, 1 box. I'm happy. So Stephen Drew, Colton Wong for the PC. I couldn't get him this year at the alumni game. I had the time to go there. So maybe next year. I'm not sure if he even came this year. Yeah. Bryce Harper. I wasn't even paying attention, looking for the short prints. First draft, Craig Nettles. That's a cool card. Knocks it up. There's action short prints, there's tint short prints. So, we haven't had any tint short prints yet. I'm not sure if we had any action short prints. Martin, Dan Heron. Oh, look. This is a really good box, guys. You're guaranteed 1 jersey or autograph per box, and I've pulled 3 hits so far, so you can call this a hot box. But this is really sick right here. Bryce Harper jersey. One of the better ones you can get. Bryce Harper Phenom. Chris Perez, Rosenthal, Hunter Pence, Charlie Blackmon. So we're almost down to half of the box, and we pulled 3 hits. So I'm happy, especially because we got a Harper. Mike Trout, Clinton Hurdle, Jake Marisnick, Michael Choice. He's on the Rangers now. You know that. Garcia. Oops, that was up. That's what I feared. iPad falling out, so try and get that back up. Sorry about that, guys. Autobiographer, Zach Wheeler, Rasmus. So not too bad. Let's see. Jeez. AJ Griffin, Paul Goldschmidt, Alex Cobb. Rookies. Hopefully I was recording me opening the packs. I'm not sure. I was looking at the iPod camera, so Tommy Malone, Ryan Ludwig, Tim Beckham, Andy Romero. Beckham was a draft pick, #1 draft pick. Remember that. Rios, Vargas, got another chrome, I believe. Yep, Jacoby Ellsbury, a Red Sox jersey. So let's pack it away. It's at a $9.99 as well. JP Arencibia, Heath Bell. I don't know what it is. Brad Miller, rookies, Adam Wainwright, Nick Markakis, Derek Norris, Darren Ruff, Aroldis Chapman. Oh, got a refractor, that's pretty nice. Refractor of Adrian Gonzalez out of 565. So got 3 chromes. Miguel Montero and 3 hits. So I'm actually pretty pleased with this box. Jason Worth, Prince Fielder, Ike Davis, Scherzer, Nolan Ryan, David Price. Okay, guys, I keep on forgetting to see if I'm opening the packs in front of the camera, so I apologize if it's not even a good video. Justin Upton, Clayton Kershaw, Doug Fister, Juan Pierre, Ben Zobrist, Michael Brantley, Villanova. Last pack here, guys. Charlie Morton, rookies, Christian Bethancourt, Brett Wallace, Bryce Harper, UH Performers, and ended it off at Matt Davidson and Chris Owings, rookies. So, thanks for watching, YouTube. Again, recap, got the Harper jersey, Eric Davis autograph, and Frank Bowling. So, thanks for watching, YouTube, and peace.